Today we leave the 5-star rated St. Regis Hotel in Dubai, home to the Aura Sky Pool, the world's highest 360-degree infinity pool. Thank you, St. Regis, for wonderful hospitality and accommodating us for an extra day. It's a very early morning flight, so enjoy the sights of Dubai as the day breaks. We arrived at Dubai International to check in for our flight. Emirates has a separate terminal area check-in process for business and first class, so that's where we are heading at 5:31 a.m. I have been pleasantly surprised by the lines at immigration. I guess since everything is facial recognition now, I walked through a facial recognition tunnel, breezed right on through, didn't even say a word to me, and we are now heading to take our train to Emirates, which I hope will then lead us to the business class lounge and last minute shopping of Dubai chocolate.
Last leg of the journey. We've had a great trip, and here's a quick recap of our trip. Check it out.
Our journey started in Miami. We flew business class from Miami to Dubai. We had a 12-hour layover. The next morning, we flew from Dubai to Bangkok on the A380. We spent 9 fun days in Thailand. Then we flew to Dubai for 3 days of more adventures.
We're here in Dubai International Airport in the business class lounge, getting ready to board what?
A380.
For the second time.
Business class seats. We redeemed miles because we got a credit card with a high sign-up bonus. We knew that we were going to have some major expenses for our house, so we used that.
And by the way, this is not a sponsored video.
And voila, here we are in business class.
Come on along with us as we board the A380. We're flying Dubai to JFK, and we'll show you what it's like to fly business class on Emirates. Comment, like, and subscribe.
Anita and Al Adventures. Ate breakfast in the business class lounge, and it was delicious. And yes, they're real roses. Here's a quick tour of the business class lounge. It's enormous. And charging stations so you don't have a dead phone. This is not the terminal, this is the lounge. I'm sure Al said something really great here, but the mic isn't working. Emirates A380 business class. We get to board the plane directly from the lounge.
Emirates A380, going to JFK. Hello, hello.
Morning. It's Alfonso, welcome back. I go across into the second
Thank you.
How did he know we were flying again? He just said, "Welcome back, Mr. Alfonso." Wow, what service.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you. This A380 upper deck is configured in all business class. I chose C23K for myself and 23F for Anita. We also chose to sit in the back, closer to the business class lounge, which is such a unique concept in the air. And
here's my home away home for almost 15 hours. Next time.
The reason I chose these seats is so that I would have a window seat and still be able to film Anita across the aisle. However, I was wrong with her seat choice. All right, next time, but you'll be a row behind me.
I don't care.
You don't care?
Ow.
Seat 23F. Although away from the aisle, which gives more privacy, you wind up sitting next to your seatmate with a privacy wall. Anita would have preferred seat 25K, 2 seats behind me, which allows for much more privacy. And we got a welcome drink of ginger and something. Good.
Look at all this legroom and the giant TV. So comfy. Pajamas for later so that I can go night-night. I'm looking forward to a great nap on this flight.
I'm telling you, once you go business class, it's going to be hard to go back to coach. So far, the cabin crew, excellent. I heard a passenger behind us going, "Are you excited for a 15-hour flight?" How could you go wrong? We booked this business class seat using miles from Dubai to JFK. We redeemed about 190,000 points one way, and for a 15-hour flight, come on, fantastic. We're gonna give you a little cabin tour later on. As we hit cruising altitude, we're gonna go back to the lounge and have some snacks, and it should be a great flight. See you in JFK, New York City, my hometown. We're gonna stay at the TWA Hotel. Iconic building at JFK. Tomorrow we'll do some food tours and we'll fly home. Let's get settled in. Putting on my slippers and stowing my sneakers away. This is Emirates' older business class layout. Can anyone tell me why Emirates included that rounded metal bar at the entrance to the seat? This is such a blessing to be able to fly in business class. Thank you, Emirates, and thank you, miles and points. And most importantly of all, thank you so much, Heavenly Father.
من وضع جميع أمتعتكم بإحكام ونقطة.
I hope you enjoy me filming the pushback, taxi, and takeoff of this giant aircraft. We departed over the Persian Gulf. Let's see what's in the Emirates amenity kit for men. All the products are by Bulgari. Bulgari lip balm, body lotion, combo brush comb, cologne, shaving cream, razor, deodorant, tissues, and earplugs. Hey, let's go chill in the lounge. Now let's take a look at the Emirates menu for day flights. Feel free to pause the video if you want to take a look.
My breakfast, French toast with fruit compote and date syrup and fresh fruit. Here, Al gets his tray table all ready for his breakfast.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I've just had one of the most delicious breakfasts on an airplane, all while we were flying over Baghdad, and I could swear that the airplane, that the pilots did a little bit of a wings turn. We turned to the right a little bit. I think I spotted either the Tigris or the Euphrates River, and they kept the plane turning for a little bit. And then they turned it back. Let's show you around the Emirates business class seat. We have PJs, slippers, headphones, remote control pad, recline buttons, reading light, remote control, electric ports, 2 storage bins, individual air vents, press button to remove pad. Let's close the windows. The snack bar has Haribo gummies, spicy wasabi peas, Evian water, Perrier sparkling water. There's also an interactive map. Wow! Flying over the Persian Gulf. Man, it's a long way to New York City. Our flight will remain in daylight. One of the coolest things about flying business class on a long flight, time to change into pajamas and get some sleep. Hey, you just put your clothes in here. Let's get some sleep.
The flight attendant prepared my seat for sleeping, padding and a blanket. Nighty-night.
It's time to get some sleep.
After a great nap, it's time for lunch. Al had pumpkin soup and salad and pasta. I had the mezze plate with hummus and pita, and then chicken and lamb kebabs. And of course, delicious chocolate.
Let's take a look at the business class bathroom. A real orchid, perfume and cologne, toothbrushes, and other stuff. Real cloth towels, tissues and paper towels, air vent and electrical outlet. Paper cups, toilet seat cover, airsick bags. There's a full-length mirror, a coat hook, and a big sink, and what a spectacular view from the bathroom. Looks like we're starting our descent into JFK. 870,000 pounds of giant aircraft landing on JFK's runways. Listen to the scream a passenger lets out.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to JFK New York International Airport, where the local time is 35 past 2 in the afternoon. We would like to thank you all for flying Emirates. We hope you enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Good afternoon.
Our review of business class Emirates. Service, attentive. Food, delicious. Jammies and amenities kit were great. And the bed was comfy. Of course, we would absolutely do it all again.
London, thanks for being so attentive. Appreciate it very much. Smile for the camera. Yep.
Kind of.
Thank you, Emirates. Great flight. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being so attentive.
Thank you so much.
Back in the US. Yeah. JFK.